welcome back to the channel, guys. I have another fun video for you guys today, but this one's going to be short. I know I say this a lot, but no, this one's going to be really short. It was my birthday recently, and me and the family took a trip up to Cleveland to go see a Guardians game and to hang out up in Cleveland. I'll try to throw a few clips up here shortly. On our way to Cleveland, there was a yard sale near our house, so we decided to stop and see what was going on and to see if we could find anything to resell. Well, this yard sale stated that they started at 10 a.m. We got there at 9:20. People were already buying stuff. And let me tell you, we missed some good stuff. I noticed somebody grabbing some vintage Simpsons figures and stuff like that, and just some crazy stuff that people had in piles. Well, since we weren't deciding on going to this yard sale, we didn't decide to film. I left my phone in the car, I left everything. So we didn't get any footage from there. My kid ended up taking a picture for our thumbnail, which you've already probably seen. We only picked up a grand total of 4 items in this one, but they are 4 good items that are going to sell for some decent profit. Stick around to the end of the video so you can see how much I paid for all this stuff. So one of the first things we got was this creepy crawler's workshop. Yes, the box is in bad shape, but we have the oven right here, and we have, what is it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 molds, plus the, I guess, utensils, and there's also the manual in here, and there's actually also some creepy crawlers that were already made. This was a good find. These sell anywhere from 20 to 50 bucks. If the box was in better shape, it'd be way more. These things are just so all over the board. I still have no idea how I'm going to list it or how much I'm going to list it for. Some of these items are bigger, and we just started grabbing. It was like we just started grabbing because the prices were so good. We couldn't just leave the stuff there. But we also had to be careful because since we were going away for the weekend, we didn't have much room in the car. So let's get to the next item. We picked up this Sesame Street record player right here. Let me see if I can get it open with one hand. Yep, there we go. Sesame Street record player. Not sure if it works or not, but we're going to test it out, I think. And I think this thing just takes batteries, I'm thinking. Actually, not even 100% sure how this thing works. Yep, batteries right there. So this was a cool find. My wife actually found this. I didn't find this one, but yeah. So this was cool to find. Really good shape. This thing does pretty well too, and I'll pop a couple sold comps up on the screen for that. I think this yard sale, I think these people were moving and they just did not want to take this stuff. They priced it the way yard sales should be priced, to move stuff, to not take it back in your house from outside. So the next item right here was this Tasty Bake Oven, Tyco oven here. This thing's in really good shape. This was another good find here. You don't see these too often, and when you do, they're normally pretty beat up. So really happy to find this in the condition that it's at. Guys, I'm not sure if you can hear this cricket outside my window, but this thing's driving me nuts. It is also 4 a.m. in the morning. Got up, getting ready to head to some yard sales here in a few hours, but decided to get some work done. I love this earliness. Got the coffee right here. I guess the Yeti makes an appearance. But yeah, let's get to this last big item. So here you go. We picked up the ab shaper. This thing is in here. The price tag said was basically brand new, but it's a little dusty, probably from storage. This thing is crazy. I'll pop up the comps here. You see resellers picking these up. Now, the one main question my wife had was, how are you going to ship that? And I am not 100% sure yet. I may just wrap it in some brown paper, and this thing will go out UPS unless it's going close to us. Then I can ship it priority mail, but I'll probably give the buyer option of FedEx or UPS on this one, and we'll be able to get it out there. Guys, so those were the 4 items that we found at this yard sale. I told you this video was going to be super quick, not one of the longer videos or just even medium videos, but with these 4 items, we're going to do pretty well. The grand total Let me get some better lighting here. The grand total for these 4 items we spent was 15 bucks. So super happy about that. The app shaper, I think they gave to me for 4 or 5. The creepy crawlers thing was a couple bucks, and I think my kids even got a couple things in there. So we did pretty well, and I think we're definitely gonna make some good money. The creepy crawler thing, a lot of sold, not a lot listed. So that's a good thing there to see whenever you're selling on eBay, to know if your item's gonna sell pretty quick. So guys, remember, hit that subscribe button down below. Also share, like, comment, all that fun stuff. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.